Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now today let's take exercise number 11 from your handout, computer aided drafting MME 133. On your screen you see one of the models. We need to do a three-dimensional modeling, prepare this drawing, and then from this we need to draw the three views: front view, top view and side view. He did not say which is the front view here, so we can select either this as the front view or we can select this as the front view. It is up to us. Now here you can see we have got rectangular blocks and tapered blocks and then circular knob. So we have to create them separately, join them together. This is the strategy we will follow. Okay. So first let me open ACAD ISO 3D. I have already opened it over here. Let me go and then just click on straight line, click somewhere, make ortho on, come here, enter 50, then go in this direction, this is 90, then go back like this, 50, then come here 90, enter, enter. So I have already prepared one block over here. Now let me just go back to my figure and see. So I have prepared this block. I have to extrude it. Before extruding, I need to prepare two holes over here. There is one hole here and there is another hole over here. The distance of the center line is 56 apart. Okay. First let me create that 56 apart. What I will do is I will draw a center line, then 23 this side, 23 on the other side. Okay. Now just let me do it. I will draw a line, select the midpoint here, select the midpoint and then to the midpoint here I have drawn a line, enter. Now I go to offset command, offset by how much? 23 and 20, no, not 23, it should be how much? 28, sorry, 28 will become 56. Okay, this one I will offset this side and again I will offset this side. Now see, I have got one line here, I have got another line over here. Now I don't need the center line, let me get rid of this. Let me draw another line from the center point here to the midpoint here, enter. So now I have got, let me pull it this side, exit. I have got these points. Let me just go and make intersection is on. Let me remove endpoint, all this stuff. Okay. Let me go back to my picture and see what is the diameter of the hole. 16 diameter, 2 holes. This is what he says, and through holes means it is complete. It goes inside. Now let me come here. Where is the circle? Circle command is here. Center and diameter. Just go select the center diameter is how much? 16. And then one more circle, go here. Diameter is how much? 16. Okay. I have got the diameters. Now what do I need? Do I need these lines? I don't need them. Just get rid of these lines because they will give trouble when we do the extrusion. Okay. Now go to press pull, click somewhere here. See, it is becoming blue now. Click here, go up. How much I need? I need 10. 10, enter. Enter. So you are already done. Let me change the color. Go change the color. I have the color over here. Move this drawing because in the bottom I have got a template. I need to get rid of the template. Okay. Got rid of the template. Enter. Now, what else I need? Let me move it back because I don't see it. I am here. Now let me go back to my other picture. In this other picture you can see in the bottom there is another piece here. What is this piece? This piece is 30 and this line is how much? 50 and then the height is another 10. Okay. Basically it is 50 by 30 rectangle. Let me do that. Line I have 50, then I should go like this, 30, 50, then come back, C, enter. It is done. Now extrude it by how much? By 10. Okay, move this one. Now I have got this, I don't need this, I will get rid of this. Now what do? I will take this one and join to this one, because it is in the bottom, you can see it is here, it has to go and join. Let me take it and join it there. Move the whole thing from where? From the midpoint. Let me go and select midpoint. Let me remove intersection from the midpoint. You see here there is a triangle. Come here, you see there is a triangle. Click here. So it's already there. Now let me join this piece with this piece. They are two separate pieces. See? Go to union. Click on this. Click on this. Enter. See, now the line here is gone. So it is a single piece. It is becoming blue single piece. Okay. Fine. That's done. So now let's go to the next part. You have this part. Okay, I need to prepare this part. Let me prepare this part. How do I prepare it? Before preparing, I need certain things. Let me do that. What I have, you can see here in the bottom, this is how much? This is 90. Okay, and from here to here it is 90, and actually this is 50. This dimension is missing here. This is actually 50. Okay, this one is 50. And what is this cap I have got? Total, he says it is 70. Out of 70, let me remove this. This is 10, this is 10. If this 10 and 10 is gone, 20 is gone, means from here it is 50. Okay, so I will have one rectangle. What is the rectangle? 50 by 50. This is 50. This is 50, is it not? So let me prepare this 50 by 50. Let me prepare and finish this top one. Let me go here. I have 50. Then I go like this. 50. Come like this. 50. Then C, enter. So I have a rectangle now, I mean square now, which is 50, 50 each. What I will do is, I will just draw one line here from this. Let me remove the midpoint. I don't need midpoint. I will simply say intersection. Let me get rid of this. I will draw from here to here. Enter. So I have got a line over here. Okay. So now I will prepare certain things on top of it. What I will do, I want now, you can see what is the diameter of this. 40 is the diameter. Okay, what is this height? 30. So this height is 15. Okay, so first I will prepare 40 and then I will prepare the height 15. First let me go back here. I will draw a circle separately. Where is the circle command? Circle command is here. Center. What is this? 40. Enter. Now I will extrude this. I will extrude this by how much? Hamstash. Extrude. See? Go. Hamstash. Okay. Enter. Enter. So I have got this. What I will do now, I will just move this one out. Okay. Just get rid of this one. Let me bring it somewhere here. Keep it. Now I have another circle. So what I will do now is, before I go, let me bring this one and keep it over here at the midpoint. Okay, so here I will just go and select midpoint. I will remove intersection. I will remove, keep midpoint and center. Okay, so now move this circle and click here. Enter. From where? See, don't catch this one, this center. Click, come down here. So where? See here, you see the midpoint here. See a small triangle in there. Click there. So it has already moved. Now everything is ready with me. So now what I will do now, I will just take this, in fact I don't need the bottom one, that I can prepare later also. So possibly I will remove this. I don't need this. as of now I don't need this, just let me get rid of this. I have this part and I will extrude another one, this one. See how much? Before extruding, cancel. So what I will do is I will draw a line. I have to draw a line. What I will do, I will draw from the quadrants. Select the quadrant. Where is the quadrant? Quadrant is here. Remove the midpoint, remove the center. Okay, line from where? See here, quadrant to quadrant. Okay, enter. Now let's go back to the picture. This is the center line I have got. You can see here what you have got. You have got 16 here, means I need to draw 15 on this side, 8 on this side, 8 on this side. Let me offset it. So offset by 8, enter. Which one I should offset? This center line, let me offset that side, and this line offset this side. Okay, enter. Let me make it little big so that I can clearly see that. So what I will do, these extra lines have come out. Let's go to trim command. Let's trim it. Okay, this is my border line, this is also border line. Use this also as border line. Okay, enter. Now what I don't need this, cut it. Don't need this, cut it, cut it, cut it. Okay, I don't need this also, cut it. Don't need this also, cut it. Enter. Now see what you have got. You have got very nice picture over here. The center line also I don't need, just delete it. Enter. Now let me extrude this portion. Press pull. See, everything is good. Go up. How much? Comes 50. Enter. Enter. Okay. Now I have got the whole stuff. Let me move it out, because in the bottom I have got my template. I don't need the template. Afterwards I will delete it. Now what I will do is I will catch, because this is anyway an arc, it has got a center somewhere over here. So I will just go here, select the center, quadrant, all this stuff I remove. I will simply say move, click on this one, enter. From which point? See, the moment I come near, it will show me the center here. If I go here, it shows the center there. Let me take the bottom one, this one, click here from the center. Where do I need? Do you see? You see the center here. Just come and click here. So you have these two pieces. Now just see here, if I click, see, it is a separate piece, this is a separate piece, is it not? Let me join them together. Union. This and this. Enter. So it's a single piece now. See here, it's a single piece. Okay. Now what I do now, I will undo it for a minute. See, this line was there. Do you see here? This line was there and it is looking separate. So now when I make the union, this piece and this piece, see, this line will go off now the moment I press enter. See here, it is gone. The other portion like this is on the back side. We are not seeing it. That's all. Okay. So now another piece is ready. Let me get rid of this. Okay. Very nice. So now I need to prepare what? I need to prepare this portion and this portion. If I prepare one portion, I can easily copy it off. Okay, that would do my job. Fine, let me just do it now. Then I have to prepare the centerpiece also. First let me do this piece. What is this height? 50, 90, and then here it is 50. Okay, so let me just go here, draw a line, 50. Sorry, I don't need this one. Sorry. I need to change the axis now. Here, get rid of this one. I need to change the axis, because Z is up. I need to put Z in this direction so that I can pull in that direction. How do I do it? Just go click on this Z. Come, put at any point, no problem. Enter. Then now see here, X, Y, Z is here, is it not? Or Z here. Click. That's it, you are there. Now see here, all these mosaic squares, they change the direction. Earlier they were flat, now they become vertical. Now let me go, click on this line. What is this length? I have 90. Now I will draw a line from the midpoint, remove the center from the midpoint. See, what is the height? 50. Enter. Now what do I need? Let me make it little big. Now I will offset it by how much? Offset is here, offset by 25, because in the top I need how much? 50. So 50, 50. Enter. See, now here I have to just go join here. Draw a line from, just go to O snap, put the end points also, from the end point of this to the end point of this to the end point of this to the end point of this. Enter. Okay, you have this stuff over here. Now let me go back just for a while. What is this height he is talking about? He is talking about 11, is it not? So because I need later, so let me create one 11 here. So what I will do is, do I need this line? I don't need this line now. No need of this. No need of this. Okay. Enter. Now how much is the thickness here? The thickness is 10. Okay, you can see here it is 10. So let me go back. What shall I do? Press pull, click here, go like this. How much? 10. Enter. Enter. So you already have a piece. Be careful, you have a template in front. So put move, click here, then move out. Okay. Now I can copy this one. Where is the copy command? Here is the copy command. Copy this object, click, enter, select any point because I just need to pull it down. Enter. Enter. Okay. So now I have two pieces ready. So now I need the centerpiece. So what I will do, I will offset this line by how much? 11. Enter. Which line? This line I will offset down. Enter. Now let me go and extend it. Extend. I have this line. I have this line. Enter. Click. Click. Enter. So do I need this bottom one? I don't need it. Let me get rid of this. Let me go here, change it to trim. This is my border line. Enter. I don't need this out. I don't need this out. This line also I don't need. Highlight it and remove it. Okay. Now just go back to the picture. Now what is this length he is having? He is having 30. Of course, this is 10. This is 10. It should be 30. Then only it will become 50. So what I should do? I should extrude, press pull, click here, just go like this. How much? 30. Enter. Enter. Okay. So now I have everything ready with me. Okay. So what I will do now is, I will just move this one out. Click on this one. Just get it here because I don't want this portion. So I need to get rid of this. Enter. Okay. So now let's just join. So what I have to do now? Move this one, click on this one, enter. From where? From this corner, come and click on this corner. I have one piece. Move, click on this, enter. From where? From this corner to this corner. See, just move it up, just make it small. See, now these things have come together. Escape. Now what I will do, this one I have to move and put it over here. Move, which one? This one. Click, enter. From where? From this corner. Let's just go remove all other stuff which we don't need. Okay, you haven't, and I don't need midpoint. Remove it. Escape. Move. Enter. From where? From this point. Come and fix it over here. Oh, everything is there with us now. See, all separate pieces. This is a single piece. Now let me join, union. This one, this one, this one, this one. Enter. everything is ready now. See, now I need to just bring this one and put it over here. I can select this one from the midpoint, but where do I put it? That's the question mark here. So for that, what I will do is I will just draw a line from this corner to this corner. Okay, enter. Now what I will do is I will move this one from where? From the midpoint of this. Where is the midpoint? I have not selected. That is the center. Okay, let me go and select midpoint, also remove endpoint, take center. From where, see here, there is center. It is catching on the center. Just catch on the center for the bottom center, because you will find one center here also and you will find one center here also. Select the bottom center, come here where I should go. Do you see here midpoint? Midpoint. That's it, done. Now Z enter, E enter. Okay, I have everything. Something is there which I don't need. Delete. Which one? This line. Oh my God. So what I do now, that line is there, I don't need that line. Click on this one, click on this one, enter, just move it out. See, that line is there separately. So I'll just delete that line. I don't need it. Let us join them, union this with this, enter. So it's a single piece now, you can see. Z enter, E enter. So beautifully drawn. Now what do I do now? Go to the layout view. You are seeing your picture here. I don't need it. Just delete it. Okay, click here, enter. Now what you have got your sheet here. Now I just go to the base and then I have to set the angle of projection. It's in first angle, change it to third angle, say OK. Go select the base, click here. Let it come, it takes some time. See, I am here. Okay, whichever view I want, I can have it. So if I call this one as the front view, let it be here, it doesn't matter. This is my front view. Okay, I will say enter, then go to the top. This is my top view. Click, don't enter, click. Now come here, this is my side view, click, then go up. See here, wherever you want you can keep it. Okay, click, enter. So you have your drawing here, complete drawing. You can change the sheet of drawing sheet size. That we will do as a separate exercise. How to set the drawing sizes and drawing sheet sizes. You can make it separately, and you can create a template in which you can have your borders and then your college template, everything, your midterm exam, final exam, assignment, all that you can keep it separately. That you can bring here. That we will do as a separate exercise. Now I have everything ready with me. Okay. So what I need to do now, I need to just make the dimensions. Okay. Just go to annotate, go over here, click the dimension side, modify. Let's try to change the colors of the lines. Lines are there, it is by block, let it be there. Symbols and arrows, let's not bother. Lines I will go, I will change the dimension lines. I will make it as black. Okay. Whereas my extension line, let it be by block only. It will come as gray when you are printing. This is okay. When I go to the text, I will change it to black color. Size is 2.5. It seems to be okay. Let us see when we make the dimension. We will know primary units. Let's just make it 0. That's enough for me. Say okay, close. Now let me just go here, annotate dimension. Click from where? Click from here to here. See, it's already doing. The height is there, it's fine. Let me just move it up a little bit. Now what else I need? I need dimension between, so this midpoint business. Let's get rid of this midpoint, center, all this. Let's keep endpoints. Okay, between the endpoint to this endpoint, if I come down, I have got 90. That's very good. And then one more dimension from top to bottom. Just come here, just move out. See, this is how much is this? Is this 60? How much we needed? Yeah, I think did we make a mistake? Let me just go and check here. No, we have not made mistake. It's fine, excellent. Okay, let me just go back here. Let me just remove that because I want from the bottom. Cut this one. I don't need it. Let me get rid of this. Cancel. Excuse me. Undo. What I need to delete? I need to delete this dimension, isn't it? Delete the dimension. Okay, now why the whole drawing was getting deleted? Because I was, this gray was also coming into picture when I was covering, that's why. So now let me go back to annotate dimension. So the height from here to here is how much? 30. Just wherever you want to keep, you can keep. Let me just put it here. Okay, and then I will do continuous dimensioning now. Continuous means it will straight away catch from here. I will come down up to this point, then I will go down to next one, then I will take this one. See here, enter. So almost all dimensions are there. Escape. I will move little bit because this is covering on this one. So it will go to home, move. Just let me just make it a little big. A little bit this side, little bit outside. Okay, so now everything is there for us. Something went wrong. Let me redo the dimensioning because things have moved out. Let me just delete them and just redo it. You can see everything is moved out. Escape, I will simply do undo. Okay, undo. So I removed all the dimension. Let me just make it little big. Annotate and let me select from this point to this point. Let me just come out here. Then I will select continuous dimension, means it will catch from there. I will take this point, then I will take this point, then I will take this point. Okay, then enter. So all the dimensions are there. Then what else I need? I need this width, is it not? So line, I will just go here to this point and this point. It is how much? 30. Fine. And then what about this height? This height I need line from where? From, let me go here, from this point to this point. It was 11, correct? It was 11. Fine. And then again here you can very clearly show this is 10, or you can make continuous dimensions also. Then again from here to here it is 10. So you have this, and then I need these widths. Let me just put them here. This width is how much? This width is 30. This width is 30, and then let me go back here. From here to here, I can just have this dimensions. What else I can have here? I can have this outside dimension. Let me just took it from this side to this side. This is 70. Let me make it small. Escape. Let me just pull my drawing down. Pan. Let me just pan it out. Now I have got these dimensions. I can just do it from here to here. Then from here to here. And then what else I can say? I can just go and say circular dimension, diameter. Where is the diameter? Leaders, okay. Between which, see, 16. And then for this one I can just click, see, radius is how much? 20. I will just put it over here. And then I have got these holes. I'll just click on the hole. So what is the diameter of the hole? This is 16, which was there. So now you can see almost proportionately we have done almost all the dimensions. I need to get this height, that also I have done, and then total height I have given. Let me find the height for this knob. From here to here it is 15. I have it here, okay. And then when I say continuous, it will continue. Sorry, when I say continuous, it will click from there. Just come here, 15, enter. See, everything is done now. So almost your complete drawing is done. Finish. Zoom, enter, E, enter. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.